Ever feel like starting a business is like trying to build a plane while you're already flying it? It can feel that chaotic for sure. But what if you actually had the blueprints? Well, over the next few minutes, we're going to break down the core principles for success. We're giving you a clear, simple roadmap to get your idea off the ground.
So let's just start with the most basic question of all. What does success in business actually look like? I mean, the first thing that probably pops into your head is just making a whole lot of money, right? But as we're about to see, that's not really the whole story.
Real, true success is about so much more than just a big bank account. Think of it more like a sturdy table. You need all the legs to be strong. Consistent profits, yeah, but also genuinely happy customers, a reputation people trust, and steady, sustainable growth. It's about building something that's meant to last.
So how do we get there? We're going to walk through what we're calling the founder's journey. It's got 4 key phases. First, we'll craft your blueprint. Then, we'll build a solid foundation. After that, it's all about driving sustainable growth. And finally, we'll talk about adopting the right mindset to keep it all going.
Let's dive right into Phase 1, crafting your business blueprint. And honestly, the subtitle here says it all. Think before you act. This is the crucial first step that really separates the businesses that take off from the ones that just kind of fizzle out.
Building out your blueprint follows a really simple, logical path. It all starts with that little spark, a clear idea. But you know, an idea is pretty useless without customers. So the next step is to really, truly understand your market. And finally, you pull it all together into a focused plan.
Okay, but what actually makes an idea good? Well, it's not about being super complex or revolutionary. A great starting idea just solves a real problem for someone. It meets a need they actually have. And, this is so important, it should be affordable for you to start and simple enough for you to manage in those early days. Now, you would be shocked at how many businesses fail simply because they skip this next part. You have got to ask these questions and be honest about the answers. Who are my customers really? What do they truly need? What's their budget? And where are they already spending their money? And all of this leads to your plan. Now, don't get freaked out by the thought of some huge 50-page business plan. When you're just starting out, a simple document that just outlines your idea, your customers, your costs, and your pricing is all you need. It's your North Star. Okay, let's move on to Phase 2, building a solid foundation. This is all about those absolutely critical actions you take right at the beginning to make sure your business can actually survive and eventually thrive. So let's talk about the #1 money rule for any beginner. You have to understand the difference between profit and cash flow. Think of it like this. Profit, that's the final score of the game. But cash flow, that's the oxygen your players need to breathe every single minute. At the start, oxygen is everything. If you run out of cash, the game is over, no matter how profitable you look on paper. This leads to a piece of advice that kind of goes against that whole go big or go home mantra you hear all the time. The temptation to expand like crazy is huge, but slow, steady growth is so much safer. It means you're growing with your own money, not with risky debt, and you're scaling because your customers are actually demanding it. Another pillar of your foundation is amazing customer service. I know, it sounds obvious, but getting this right is just non-negotiable. And it really just boils down to 4 simple things. Always be polite, deliver quality every single time, handle problems with grace, and above all else, be honest. This isn't just about being nice. This is how you build trust and create customers for life. All right, with that solid foundation in place, you are ready for Phase 3, driving sustainable growth. This is where you start looking outward, really focusing on getting the word out there and building some powerful connections. The very first thing to remember about growth is this. Marketing does not have to break the bank. You do not need a massive budget to start making an impact and bringing in new customers. In fact, some of the most powerful marketing tactics are practically free. The absolute best is just getting people to talk about you. Good old word of mouth. Beyond that, just go where your customers already are, on social media. Simple things, like running a small promotion or even just how you display your products can make a huge difference. And remember, growth isn't just about sales numbers. Business is built on relationships. How you treat your suppliers, the trust you build with your customers, the connections you make with other entrepreneurs. It all comes together to build a strong reputation that's going to fuel your success for years. This brings us to our final and maybe our most important phase. Phase 4, adopting the success mindset. This is all about the internal discipline, the personal stuff that you need to really go the distance.
And the golden rule here is consistency. Opening your doors on time every time, keeping regular hours, staying committed, even on the slow days. Why does this matter so much? Because consistency is what builds confidence. It tells your customers they can rely on you no matter what.
Now, listen. Every single business owner makes mistakes. It is absolutely inevitable. So the real question isn't if you'll make them, it's how do you learn from them? You see, successful entrepreneurs don't see mistakes as failures. They just see them as data. They use this simple learning loop. They analyze what happened, they actively listen to what their customers have to say about it, and then they use that info to constantly get better.
And finally, all of this, it's powered by patience and persistence. Success almost never happens overnight. There are going to be challenges, and profits might be tiny at first. Believing in what you're doing and just staying focused, that's what's going to carry you through. So, to wrap this all up, here are the big takeaways. Start small. Plan wisely. Manage your money with extreme care. Serve your customers like they're gold. Never, ever stop learning. And above all, just stay disciplined and be patient. So, there you have it. That's the roadmap. The principles are pretty clear. The only question left is for you. Knowing what you know now, what is the very first step you are going to take?